Today I'm going to show you how to use the pen tool for masking in CapCut step by step so you can isolate an object, hide parts of your video, or create clean custom mask shapes with much more control. This is a super useful editing skill, whether you're making cinematic edits, product shots, talking head videos, or just want more advanced control over what appears on screen. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or desktop, depending on where you're editing. Once CapCut loads, tap New Project. This will take you to your media library where you can choose the video you want to work on. Import the clip that you want to mask and wait for it to load into the timeline. If you're working with a longer video, make sure you pick the exact clip or section you want to edit, because masking works best when you're focused on one subject or one specific area of the frame. Now tap the clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. When the clip is selected, CapCut will show editing tools on the side or bottom of the screen. Look for mask in the right toolbar and tap it. This is the feature that lets you hide or reveal parts of your video. Inside the mask menu, you'll see different mask styles, but for this tutorial, choose pen. The pen tool is what gives you the freedom to draw a completely custom outline around the object you want to keep or hide. Once you select pen, look at the video preview. Now tap on the preview to place your first point. This first point starts the shape of your mask. After that, keep tapping around the object you want to outline. Each tap adds another point, and together they form the custom mask path. Try to place your points along the edges of the object as accurately as possible, especially around curves, corners, and detailed areas. The more carefully you place these points, the cleaner your final mask will look. Continue adding points until you've completed the full outline. Depending on what you're masking, this might take a few quick taps or a more detailed tracing process. If you're masking something simple like a phone, a person's silhouette, or a box-shaped object, it can be pretty fast. But if the object has curves, hair, hands, or uneven edges, take your time and zoom in if needed so your outline stays as precise as possible. After the outline is complete, the mask is created, but you're not done yet. The next step is refinement. Tap and drag individual points or the connecting lines to adjust the shape of the mask. This is where you can make the mask look much more professional. If a point is slightly off, move it into place. If a line needs to follow the object more closely, drag it until it matches the edge better. Small adjustments here can make a huge difference in how natural the final result looks. If the mask is hiding too much or not enough, go back and fine-tune the points until the shape feels right. This is especially important if the object moves or if you want the mask to blend smoothly with the video. Take your time and preview the result as you go, because even simple masks look much better when the outline is accurate and clean. Once you're happy with the shape, play back the clip to see how the mask looks in motion. If everything lines up properly, you're done. If needed, make one last round of adjustments before exporting your video. That's the power of the pen tool in CapCut. It gives you custom masking control that goes far beyond basic preset shapes. So to recap, open CapCut, start a new project, import your video, select the clip, tap mask, choose pen, tap around the object to place points, finish the outline, and then drag points or lines to refine the shape. That's how you use the pen tool for masking in CapCut the right way. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.